Are you not getting the option to install Dragon Ball Legends? Well, this video will show you how to download Dragon Ball Legends from the Play Store regardless of what country you're in. At the time of this video, the game is only available in the Netherlands and Austria. I'm running Android 8.0, so the steps may vary depending on your Android version, but the overall process should be the same. Please note the game requires at least Android 6.0 to run. If you're not on Android 6.0 or later, you will not be able to download the game. Now let's begin. First, you'll need to download a VPN from the Play Store. I'm going to download Turbo VPN, which is free. Once it's installed, open the VPN. Now connect to the Netherlands server. Hit OK. Once it's connected, we'll return to the home screen and go to Settings. Then go to Users and Accounts and select your Google account. Now hit Remove Account. Now go back to Settings and go to Apps and Notifications. And look for Google Play Store. Hit See All Apps if it's not under the recently opened apps. Now go to Storage and hit Clear Cache, then Clear Data and hit OK. Now open the Play Store and sign into a Google account that has not pre-registered for the game. Once you're signed in, search for Dragon Ball Legends and you should be able to install it now. You can now close the VPN and sign back to your original Google account if you signed into a different one. Now let's run the game. Thanks for watching, guys, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.